You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look.
Danny and Ashley are going to take a few moments now to meditate and pray about the covenants they've just taken. I would ask each of us in here, as they're doing that, to take a few moments to contemplate how we can help support them as they grow as husband and wife and a family. Daniel and Ashley, the covenant which you are about to make is the beautiful and sacred expression of your love for one another.
Ashley, I give you this ring as a symbol of our vows. With all that I am and all that I have, I honor you.
Daniel, I give you this ring as a symbol of our vows. With all that I am and all that I have, I honor you.
I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do. Or through the common.
So I'm going to raise a toast that God's love and light continues to shine in your lives and you are blessed throughout your marriage. Cheers.
I do, I do, I do.